Hey folks, Tom Franiak at Midwest Cabinets and Design. Wanted to share with you one of our brand new products. We haven't seen it in any of the photographs we've been posting or any of the updates to the website. So we've got some in the shop today and wanted to show it to you. This particular cabinet here, this is the Brooklyn Modern Gray cabinet. The paint on it is baked on finish and UV coated. It is a top quality finish. You can't get this finish by hiring some guy to come into your house and spray your cabinets gray with his equipment. They just don't they don't have the kind of equipment to get the finish we can put on your cabinetry. So anyhow, I wanted to show it to you. Everything that we do is UV coated, baked on finishes, whether they're clear or painted. And I also want to show you here this feature. This is what everybody wants. This is what you want, and we have it. And we do it for about half of what the big box stores will do it for. We'll give you a full professional CAD program design service. Come out to your house, we'll measure it, we'll design it for you, we'll order it for you, and you won't have to worry about being interrupted by somebody looking for a toaster on aisle 5. 35 years experience, we know what we're doing. So anyhow, I wanted to show you. This has a soft close hinge. Soft close compact hinge, hidden hinge. It's what everybody wants. It's what all the cool kids on the block get. And we can put it in your house. Let's open up both these doors. I want to also show you here. Let me turn the phone this way. This is a all plywood finished interior. No particle boards in our product. Everything has full adjusting shelves. This happens to be a sink base, so the drawer won't operate in this. But look at that. Soft closed doors. Soft closed doors. Takes a while to get them shut, but you're going to love them, and you can't fight. You can't slam doors in your kitchen anymore if you buy this product. All the sides are finished. Great quality product. I wanted to walk you over here real quick. I don't have a lot of battery, so we're going to do this fast, and it's better for you. I mean, you just want to look 2-3 minutes. That's all you want to see. Here's drawer construction. This is our slate product. This is a slate color. It's also the Brooklyn door. But again, I want to show you everything in here is soft close hardware. And also too, look at this. A twin I-beam construction. Top quality stuff. All plywood construction cabinets. We have it in slate, we have it in gray, we have it in white. Also too, if you want something a little simpler, let's go over here. This one's unwrapped. This is a basic shaker. Happens to be a corner cabinet door. Basic shaker, easy access. Everything that we carry is soft close. No cheap products here. Business is great. Business couldn't be better. You want what we got, and we want to help you get it. So anyhow, y'all have a great weekend. It's been great talking to you. Look forward to posting more videos online and showing everybody how to install them themselves if they want to. I mean, that's what we want to do. We are your experts in kitchen cabinets, or bathrooms, or entertainment centers. Wherever you want to screw a cabinet to the wall, we want to help you screw it there. All right? So you have a great day. Talk to you soon.